So flights from England to America are quite expensive, you know, which is why my mum paid for all of ours. But I do need a favour from you. So before I left, she said, Lauren, it better be worth it, when she transferred me $5,000. And I said, it will be, and I'll prove it to you. But now I need you to prove it to her for me. So I need you to head to my Instagram and send me a message that I can show my mum, okay? You can tell me my mum's hot. You can tell me that it was definitely worth the 5K. Anything you want to say that I can sit down and show my mum, you can do. Okay, can you do that for me, Florida? Okay, also, my band are very, very malnourished and hungry. We've been living on Taco Bell. Jess is really not well. So, if you can come and see us at the merch stand, anything to help go towards some broccoli would be greatly appreciated. This next song